What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw a gumball. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and pull that all the way back up towards the top. I'm going to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to move down in between and draw on the muzzle. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to bend this up, go into the right eye, round up the muzzle, and then pull that back up towards the point. Along the top, let's add a curve, coming down and up for the nose. And then from the bottom, just angle this down towards the right. Let's add the eyebrows on top of each eye. So starting on the left, then this up and then in. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. And I want to round up the ends, just pulling them back in. And we'll close off the top with a curve. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now let's move out to the side and draw the top half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, I'm going to step out, curve this up above the eyebrows, go across, and then bring that down beside the right eye. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the bottom of the head, coming down, go across. It's going to round out the cheek, and then pull that in. Let's add 3 whiskers on the left side. Just going to angle this up and in, step down, and add 2 more. And then on the right side, we're going to add 2, coming in towards the nose. Let's go all the way back up towards the top of the head and add the ear. We're going to bend this up and then in, round up the ear, and then bend that back down. Let's add the second ear on the left side. We're going to bend this out, round up the ear, come down and then in. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to leave a gap in the center, draw 2 lines, one on the left and one coming down a little bit further on the right. Connect the bottom with this straight angled line. Let's draw on the top of the shoulder. From the bottom of the collar, we're going to step in, curve the shoulder going up, and we'll come straight down towards the bottom of the wrist. Let's draw the hand going out, come around. I'm just going to pull this straight up, just underneath the shoulder. Let's separate the cuff with a straight line, move up and draw that again. And then we'll add some texture on the inside with 2 straight lines. Let's go to the bottom of the hand and draw 2 curves to separate the paw. Let's go back over towards the bottom corner of the collar, draw a straight line coming down towards the hip. Just going to round out the hip, going out, come around, and pull that straight across in behind the hand. Now let's draw a straight line going across the hips. And then along the top, add a curve. And then from the bottom of that curve, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down. Now I want to draw on the back shoulder. I'm going to line up the top over on the right side, go out, and then come straight down. Line up the top of the cuff, draw a straight line going across. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. In the center, draw a straight angled line coming down towards the left, towards the bottom of the feet. Draw a straight line going out towards the left, and then the right side. Let's round out the end of the feet, coming back around and up toward the top, and draw a straight line going across. Now going back up to the top, we're going to step out and draw 2 more lines coming down the side of the leg on top of the feet. Let's move up and draw a straight line going across the cuff, and we'll separate the toes with 2 curves on either side. Now we're going to bring the tail coming down from underneath the hand. So start down here, come down and out, and trace this back along the inside. Let's sign our art and add some color using our Ohuhu brand markers, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Gumball. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.